Right now, you can use this AI video generator for free, but we're not sure how long that will last. So let's make the most of it. We're going to create a details tutorial video. Part 1. Free text-to-speech AI. Go to the official Nero AI website. You can find the link in this video's description. Click the Create Free AI Videos button to open Nero AI Studio. Navigate to the text-to-speech menu. Type or paste your script and select your language. Choose your preferred voice actor and click the Save Changes button to save the settings.
This audio is generated with Nero.
This audio is generated with Nero.
Once everything is set, click the Generate Speech button to generate your free AI-generated voice. Click the Play button to listen to your AI-generated voice.
Create personalized and engaging videos with AI avatars at scale. Leverage the power of Nero for your business at no cost.
Click Copy Link, then open a new Chrome tab and paste the link. Press the Enter button. Now click on the 3 dots and choose Download to save this AI audio file. Part 2. Free AI Video Generator in Nero AI Studio. Select the Generate Video menu. Choose your AI avatar and either type or paste your video script. Alternatively, use their AI script generator by clicking the Generate Script button. Enter your topic and your target audience. Click Generate to start generating your AI video script. This AI tool will give you 2 options. Select the best one and click Use this script to continue. Now, change your video background by clicking the Change Background button. After selecting your background, click on Save Changes. You can select or modify the audio, similar to what we did in Step 1. Once all the settings are in place, click Generate Video. Enter your email details and await the rendering results. Here's a demo video that was generated using Nero.ai.
Create personalized videos with AI avatars on Nero. Engage your audience. No cost for your business. Scale up with Nero's power. Try it now.
In Nero AI Studio, there aren't many options for video editing. So let's use Nero AI inside Canva to make our editing process easier. Log into your Canva dashboard, or use the link in this video's description. Click the Create Design button, then select the Video option. Go to the Apps menu, type Nero AI in the search bar, and click on the Nero AI app button. Click Open to continue. Now select your desired AI avatar. Using this method, you create an AI avatar video in Canva too. Thanks for watching.